Hello, lovelies. All right, so this is the it's January now. So this is the December Elves Box. It is a resin crafting subscription box by Sophie and Toffee, just like it says on the box. And I buy it myself, and this is going to be a totally honest review box opening shenanigan. Also, apologizing now for the extra clutter on my desk, but Anime Los Angeles starts tomorrow, and I'm selling at it, so I'm trying to get everything organized. And I was like, yay, clear space. I need to do the video. So let's see what I got. Blowout box. Okay, so they did this last year too, and it was a very, very happy thing because it's basically like a bunch of extra stuff. There's a lot more in it than normal, and it's going to be pretty random. So this is probably going to be good stuff. And whoa, check out that list of things. Get that closer for you if anybody needs to actually see the list for themselves. And let's find out what all that looks like. Okay, we're going to have to do this totally out of order because, wow. So random pigment. I don't know. Like there is a long list of stuff here. Crystal open bezels. Can we see those? Yeah, there you go. Oh wow, my light's super bad. All right. Let's see if that helps any. These are animal bezels. It looks like it's animals looking backwards over their butts, which is adorable. Can you make that out? I don't know. Whoa, hello, all the glitters. Okay, professional nail art. So we're going back to my theory that nail art is best resin crafting supplies. So let's see here. Oh, it says 9 colors of Aurora white glitters. So 9 colors of white glitter. Sounds a little bit weird. Oh, okay, I see how this is Aurora white. So you can see like that one's got a green tint and that one's got a blue tint and the box is trying to close. Oh, and they're numbered. They're numbered. That's helpful. That one's number 90. Okay, that's less helpful. Or maybe it's number 6. I'm going to go with 6. Number 10. Okay, no, the numbering is not at all helpful. Let's see here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I've gotten up to 7. It says I should have 9. Huh. Okay. Well, we'll keep going. See what else I find. Shove, shove, shove. Get all that out of the way. UV resin. UV resin. All right. Pearl white pigment. I think they've given me pearl white before, but I really like how it looks, so I'm happy with that. 3D umbrella silicone mold. That would be this. And oh wow, check that out. Okay, so you're going to actually get a hook shape off that umbrella and then the dome piece. That you can see right there. Let's see here. Can I get it so you can see? Yes. Okay, so there's a hole in the top of that. So this one actually is fill in from the hole on top, unlike some of their other 3D molds where it's like awkward squishing. Kawaii Animal silicone mold. Silicone. I guess it's this one, which has 3 animals. Oh, they have faces. Can you see that? Can I get that so you guys can see it? My lighting being terrible. My lighting's being terrible today. Okay, but they have faces. You can kind of see that in there. And a lot of other things that are not animals at all. So maybe not the best name, but whatever. Silicone, mixing bowl, and silicone tools. So mixing bowl and tools. That's actually super cute. The tools are a little bit weird, but I'll figure out how to use them later. Heat changing color heat pigment powder. I'm going to guess that it's probably this one. And I guess right now it's in this temperature, whatever this temperature is. That's a guess. Let's see here. We found the open bezels, more open bezels, floral transparent silicone matte. There we go. You guys have probably seen me craft with like a plain old boring pink silicone matte before, which I'm happy to use because, hey, it works. This has some texture on it, so that's going to require cleaning out. Oh, texture's only on one side, so I could put it face down and have a smooth surface. Okay, that's good stuff. Colorful mix of stars and hearts sequins. That would definitely be this. That's pretty straightforward. Glow blue sand. Probably this. Labels in Chinese. Not helpful. But this is the thing that is closest to sand, so it's probably got some glow in the dark going on. Iridescent film. Yay. You can do really pretty stuff with this. Chop it up super small to turn it into kind of opalescent glitter. Neat stuff like that. Oh, and I think they had said on their blog that there was going to be a UV torch. Yes. Okay. UV torch probably does not come with batteries. Does it say what it takes? That looks like it probably takes AAA batteries, but there's not a label on it. That's okay. I have batteries somewhere. So, new torch. New UV torch. That box lid is so determined to close on us today. It's very rude. Okay, so that is everything. All right. That was a pretty good box. Pretty easy to go through once I actually dug through the right layers. I feel like I might be missing some colors of glitter, but I will count carefully afterwards. I might have just not noticed as I went. Ha! Now it'll stay open and show you the wrong part of the box. I am not winning today. That's it. I hope you guys are all having a great new year already. My Patreons will see this before Anime Los Angeles starts. It'll probably be mid-ALA when the rest of you get to see this, because I do give my Patreons a head start. And hopefully I will have some new and exciting videos over